Reinvent your kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and a well-planned space will streamline food prep, cooking, baking, and cleaning, all while maximizing time and efficiency. Before you start pulling everything out of the cabinets and drawers, begin by writing out a plan. Consider how many cabinets and drawers you have. What needs organizing? Which areas are used for which tasks? How many gadgets, small appliances, and dishes can you purge, and how much space will result? Write out your ideas and get a detailed plan on paper. Once you've got your guideline, it's time to get started. Divide into zones. The kitchen functions at its best when it's set up in zones. There are 5 main zones: cooking, preparation, cleaning, storage, and food. Everything in your kitchen should fit into one of these 5 categories. If you have an item that doesn't fit, it may not belong in the kitchen. Cooking. Your cooking space should include spices, oils and vinegars, cooking utensils, pots and pans, pot holders, trivets, and other tools. B. Cleaning. All things related to cleaning your kitchen should be in this zone, which is typically centered around the dishwasher and kitchen sink. Categories include kitchen cleaners, under-the-sink items, sponges, paper towels, microfiber cloths, trash bags, dishwasher detergent, recycling bins, and trash cans. C. Preparation. Everything needed to prep meals goes in the preparation zone. Items might include mixing bowls, knives, cutting boards, kitchen gadgets, blender, and other appliances. Specific areas will form within this zone, like the baking and school lunch stations, see item 015. D. Storage items in the storage zone include food containers, silverware, dishes, glasses, and small appliances. E. Food. The pantry is considered the food zone. If you don't have a pantry, designate a few cupboards or a standing cabinet in which to store food items. Kitchen islands are excellent multipurpose areas that might serve as storage, preparation, or cooking spaces. Clean out your spices. Spices are the soul of any home-cooked meal, and having them easily accessible makes cooking that much more fun. Create an organized spice station near your cooking area to store your spices, oils, and mixes. Remember that the key is functional organizing, so you will want this space to be near your oven. It's time to toss out those 10-year-old spices and replenish them with fresh, new jars. Pull out all the spices and condiments from your cabinets, pantry, and drawers so you can take inventory of what you have. Throw out all expired items, the flavor won't last. Categorize. Sort by size and type of item: cooking oils, cooking spices, baking spices, mixes, etc. Organize. Stack your remaining jars on spice shelves, in drawers, or on Lazy Susans, or section them into baskets as best suits your needs. Alphabetize if it helps you find spices more easily. Create a best of station. It's great to have a station on your counter where you keep your favorite cooking essentials. Olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and garlic are the most commonly used cooking ingredients. Keeping them within arm's reach of your cooking space will make using them easier and more cook-friendly. You can repurpose an old cutting board or cheese tray to designate this space. Think outside the shelf. My top 2 favorite spice organizers are Lazy Susans and drawers. No cabinet space needed. Use multiple Lazy Susans to organize spices by category, such as baking spices, cooking spices, spice mixes, and seasonings. You'll find them faster when you know which type you're looking for. If you're lacking cabinet space, store spices in a kitchen drawer. This method will require you to purchase spice jars, but it's an effective organizational method and should appeal to those who like uniformity. Make sure you measure the height of the jars and drawers before purchasing. You can even go one step further and organize your spice drawer alphabetically. It sounds crazy, but it will make your life easier. If you are switching your spices into new containers, don't forget to label the bottom of the jars with the expiration date. Group your utensils. Create a functional, organized kitchen space by grouping utensils together and categorizing them by their various uses. Clear out all of your utensil drawers and wipe them down. Purge, donate, or get rid of utensils that you haven't used in the last 12 months. Group containers and other items into categories. Create used jars, baskets, or bins on your counter, or style out an existing drawer. Crock pots are great for storing your most commonly used utensils. They hold a lot and they're easy to grab. Keep various crocks within easy reach on your counter. Maximize storage in a tiny kitchen. Every bit of space counts in a small kitchen, so look at every wall and surface and strategize about ways to utilize it. Whether you're a renter, a condo dweller, or part of the tiny house trend, here are a few ideas to consider as you look to get the most out of a cute, cozy space. Shelf IT. Consider every possible place where you can add shelving for pantry essentials. If the containers are attractive enough, your essentials can be on display without feeling like clutter. Just don't let the shelves get messy or dusty. In addition, risers or additional shelves inside your cabinets are a great solution for smaller items, like canned goods, that can stack 2 or 3 levels deep. And racks that fit over cabinet doors are a great way to store spices, tea, and other small items on the inside of the doors. Hanging baskets can be used to store fruit, garlic, and other items that would otherwise be taking up counter space. Sneak-in storage spots that are often used exclusively for decoration can actually become handy storage. The false drawer under most sinks can be replaced with a tilt-out drawer front that's great for storing sponges and scrub pads. Even more crafty, IKEA has a cupboard solution that sneaks a drawer into the bottom of the cabinet toe kick space. Nobody will suspect that's where your muffin tins are hiding. Make a pantry. If you don't have a pantry, consider buying a standing cabinet. You can probably find a vintage wardrobe or even a dresser with deep drawers and refinish or paint it to suit. You can place it where it's convenient and free up your cabinets for other things.